Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make lotion bars. We're going to be using paper tubes as the packaging, and it's going to have shea butter, cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, beeswax, and vitamin E, as well as the fragrance. Feel free to sub any of the ingredients. For example, the grapeseed oil, you could use any carrier oil, or the butters, you could sub for any butter. I highly recommend keeping the beeswax. But if you want to learn how to make these lotion bars, please keep watching. Okay, so first we are going to be adding shea butter. I get all of my shea butter from Stouffer's Choice. And as you saw, I have posted the recipe right in the beginning. There we go. Next, we are going to be adding beeswax. So I use these little like pellets. Makes it a lot easier. There we go. All right, next we're going to be adding grapeseed oil. And again, you could sub this for like avocado oil, olive oil if you really wanted. I wouldn't recommend olive oil. Jojoba oil would work very well too. Any carrier oil. All right, now we are going to do cocoa butter. There we go. And now we're gonna add some vitamin E. Perfect. And I'm gonna go melt this in the microwave, and then I will be right back. Alright, these are the paper tubes that I'm gonna be using. I get them on Etsy from someone local. I will link their shop down below. I can't remember off the top of my head what size these are, but yeah, I'll link them down below. You can also use like a silicone mold that makes like a bar, and then you can get tins on Amazon. That's how we used to package them. I'll link that as well, but it was much easier to use the tubes because it's only one step instead of unmolding everything and then putting it in the tins and everything. So I prefer this, and it's a little more eco-friendly. But yeah, we're gonna start filling these up, take the caps off, and I actually line them up on like the edge of the table here and pour. It's just a lot easier. Alright, next I'm gonna add the fragrance. We are doing lilac today. And I get this one from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It is the Crafter's Choice brand called Lilac and Bloom. All right, now we're just gonna stir that in. Make sure everything is well incorporated. To prevent not like air bubbles, but like pockets of like air, I guess. It's different than air bubbles. You kind of want to fill them like part way, and then once that's a little set, then you go back and fill the rest. I felt it helps caving in too, but if you do experience like cracking on the top or a little bit of caving in, just take a heat gun to the top of it and that will fix it right up. this is the final result. But there you go. And then these push up. They're like push-up tubes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, hit the thumbs up, and we will see you next time. Bye.